Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the MK4 versus Hellcat. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand what each vehicle brings to the table. The MK4 Supra is celebrated for its tuning potential and iconic design, while the Hellcat is known for its raw power and straight-line speed. Let's dive into the details to see which might be a better fit for you. When it comes to performance, these two cars are in different leagues. The MK4 Supra, especially the twin-turbo model, offers strong acceleration and a highly tunable engine, often reaching impressive power levels with modifications. The Hellcat, however, delivers immense factory horsepower, often exceeding 700, providing brutal straight-line speed right off the showroom floor. The driving experience varies greatly. The MK4 Supra provides a more connected and agile feel, making it a favorite for spirited driving on winding roads. Its lighter weight and balanced chassis contribute to precise handling. The Hellcat, while powerful, focuses more on brute force, offering a thrilling, albeit less refined, experience, especially in a straight line. In terms of value, the MK4 Supra has become a highly sought-after collector's item, with prices often reaching six figures. Hellcat models, while still valuable, offer a more accessible entry into high-horsepower performance. Ultimately, the better car depends on your priorities: classic JDM tuning versus modern American muscle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.